as long as minerals are being extracted illegally, I have this firm belief that the government is in cahoots, okay, with the entire illegality of this function, and they are making merry, which means that they are doing this purposely. They are ensuring that they are plundering the state, especially from the revenue that is deserving to go to the government, which directly goes to the public at large, right? So the government is the government. When I say the government, I mean the public, yeah, is not getting any revenue out of this coal mining, except a few men who are a part and parcel of this entire mafia that has been operating, and it's an open secret, yeah. So what they are actually doing is basically they plundering the state. They are killing the future generation. They are ensuring that they are extracting not just the minerals from the land, but they are also ensuring that the money is flowing only to their pockets, but not to the public at large.